Good morning, guys. It's what's up, you guys? It's Galak phone. Which I'm just some foot fishing. Yeah, I think so. Well, right now, guys, I'm just sent to book. And so that's what's going on. So talk to you guys when I'm done work. Guys, this morning I did right along with one of the drivers, so that's what's going on, you guys. So it's gonna be fun and exciting.
We are having some pulled pork and coleslaw.
Show them your tomatoes.
How many did you get? One. What's this number? 3.
2, 1. No, baby. Mine do that.
Why do that?
How many tomatoes do you have, Grace?
One more.
What?
One more. Baby.
One more?
One more. Hey, baby. No,
It's not baby who was doing that. It was mommy.
What kind of tomatoes are they? Grace, what kind of tomatoes are they?
Rainbow.
Rainbow tomatoes?
This is good. Right there.
Grace picked rainbow tomatoes. Right?
Yeah.
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 Grace, why are you naked?
Hey guys, I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.